Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited about today's video because I'm going to be talking about the Arts Printable Etsy course that I currently have. And I've received tons of messages, DMs, and even emails wanting to clarify what exactly is included. And I thought a video is the best way to kind of explain everything and get all your answers answered. So make sure that you watch all the way to the end so you can find out why I call this course the only Etsy course you will ever need. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to subscribe today and hit that notification bell to be the first one notified of any new videos. I actually upload weekly videos, if not daily, to help you grow an impactful online business, so you will always have new content on my channel. Now, let's go ahead and kind of break down what you get with the actual course. So the course actually starts with 45 videos that teach you how to start from scratch, grow and manage an arts printable shop. And the types of videos to expect is how to choose a micro niche, how to do market research. I talk about different types of licensings that you have to look out for, how to create art printables. I teach you step by step how to do them, how to do mock-ups. I teach you how to do that. I teach you how to do SEO, grow your email list. This is time to give you some ideas. And even if you don't want to start selling arts printables, this course is perfect for your existing shop. Everything that you learn, you could apply to your current shop. So it's a great course for anyone out there. And in addition to that, guys, you're getting bonuses included. You're literally getting about 8 courses for the price of one. So what I want to do now is head over to my computer and show you from the back end everything that you get included. Okay, so here we are in the actual sales page. And this is the page that you guys could kind of walk through. I will leave the link right below the video and also in the comment section. And you could kind of walk through here and kind of take a look at everything that you get included. But I literally walk you through how to start an Etsy shop from scratch. And I teach you not only how to sell art printables, but in the course, you get additional videos on how to create digital products. So I teach you all of these things that you see in the screen. I teach you how to create 11 digital products that you could create to sell on Etsy. So these are all the things that I teach you how to do. In addition to that, when you head to this page, you'll be able to see the course curriculum. If you wanted to, you could go all the way down and see every single thing that's included in the course. As you can see, there's tons and tons of videos. These are all the things that come included. So to kind of give you a walkthrough of it, when you first join, you have the welcome section, which is I'll teach you how to use the actual video format. I talk a little bit more about who I am. You join the Facebook group. This Facebook group is only for members that join the course. You will have access to me 24/7. So if you ever get stuck on a lesson or you need help, you could simply just reach out to me on the actual group and I will answer your questions. Addition to that, you get additional things that are included in the course, like Etsy tools that I recommend. And these are all the different modules. So these are, when you first start the course, you start taking the Arts Printable course. You could jump around in the course, so you don't necessarily have to start with that one. But module 1 is basically what are digital prints, how to do market research, how to build a strong brand, setting up your Etsy account, starting your printables, or what software you need, what you need to know about being safe with your design, which is more of licensing terms, what you need to know about fonts so you don't get in trouble. The second part is making your own printable design. So I teach you how to do a micro niche, how to look for successful micro niches in Etsy, how to find your micro niche, how to write a niche statement, how to find graphic designs, what type of licenses that you need, how to choose the right graphic design for your brand, how to navigate and find the right file formats for your business. Addition to that, this next step is how to create art printables and how to create your mock-ups. So I teach you 3 different types of art printables that you could create, how to add fonts, how to create art printable mockups, how to create high quality JPEG and PNG files, how to take one size and size it for many different sizes, how to do margin, bleeds, crop marks, how to create a zip file. Module number 4 is creating an Etsy shop for success. So, how to build a memorable shop, how to brand yourself on Etsy, samples of different Etsy shops that have really well done branding, the most important branding element of your store, why you need to have your own domain, Etsy SEO. I teach you how to do SEO for your listings, how to optimize your entire store, how to do brainstorming ideas for tags, how to find profitable keywords using eRank. And then at the end, I teach you how to start, manage, and grow. So I teach you how to list your arts printable, how to persuade buyers to buy, how to improve the layout of your store, how to start an email list for your store, and then you complete that course. So that's all of those videos. Addition to that, like I said, you get 11 videos where I teach you how to create different types of digital files. As you can see, these videos are from 10 minutes and up, and that's because I'm teaching you step by step how to do them. Addition to that, you get 365 Instagram story prompts. If you don't use Instagram right now, you need to start using it, especially Instagram stories. I actually give you content. I give you a whole year worth of content that you could use on Instagram to grow your Etsy business, to get brand visibility, to get more reach more people, and to close out sales using Instagram. Addition to that, you get this other bonus, how to set up your Facebook profile into a sales funnel. So I teach you how to properly set up your Facebook profile. And that's, as you can see, 9 videos. Addition to that, Facebook fan page, how to create a proper Facebook fan page. And I teach you how to do that. These are all videos for that. Addition to that, how to start, manage, and grow a Facebook group for your Etsy business. This one's a little bit longer. You get about, I think, 13 videos. Now you get, addition to that, I keep saying that, right? But addition to that, you get using Pinterest for your Etsy business. This is the one that I'm currently working on. But as you can see, there's tons of videos now available for my members right now. And on the bottom, I just have Canva tutorials. These are additional stuff that I've been adding to the course. So this is all available right now when you join. And then in addition to these videos, you're going to get how to use Instagram for your Etsy business. I'm going to be adding that. In addition to that, I'm going to be adding how to use Facebook ads and Instagram ads to remarket people that showed interest in your products and how to use them properly. So I'm going to be giving a quick tutorial on that as well. So you're getting a lot. You're getting literally, 8 courses for the price of 1. Addition to that, I might not stop and I might end up adding more and more courses to it, or making it a little bit bigger to just give you the one place where you go and you have everything you need to know to run and grow an Etsy shop. So this is why I call it the only Etsy course you will ever need, because you're getting everything in one course. You could join today for $4.97, or you could do the payment plan, which is $99 down and 5 payments of $99. Now for the paid in full, I do have a discount. It's $100 off. I will leave the coupon code underneath this video. That way you guys could use it. But you definitely want to join, because I'm almost done with the Pinterest course. And once I do that, the prices are going up. I'm going to be charging more, because I'm literally giving this course a very low price. Just for a Pinterest course, you're going to be expected to pay at least $350. And the fact that I'm putting all of these courses together in one place and not charging at least $1,000, this is relatively very cheap. So I highly recommend that you join. If you have any questions about the course, just take a look at it. Just go in there, click on the link. You could kind of take your time, kind of review everything that you're getting. And if you're stuck or if you have any questions, I will leave my email below this video as well. You could email and ask me any questions that you have, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. But I hope that by doing this video and kind of giving you a little bit of a breakdown, this helps you understand what the course is about. Keep in mind, this course is great for anyone that wants to start an art printable business, and this course is for anyone that already has a business on Etsy and they kind of want to scale it to the next level. You could apply 99% of everything that I'm teaching for your actual business at the current moment. So it's applicable for both types of sellers. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment below. You could also email me. I will leave the email below as well. Thank you guys for watching.